Hello friends, thanks for stopping by my channel again. And if you're here for the first time, welcome. My name's Jana and I am an avid stamper and paper crafter, and I also am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Today though, I am coming on with a bee themed project using the wonderful supplies that I got in that box that was sent to me from Your Creative Studio. So if you didn't see that unboxing, you might want to go back and take a look at all the wonderful goodies that they sent me. And I will link that in the description box below that video for that unboxing. So this fit in perfect with it because it has the little bumblebees on there. And this is my happy place. Okay. So like I said, I'm using products that were in that box from Your Creative Studio, and I also used this die set that comes from KS Crafts, and it's for this cute little tea bag holder. So you get all these parts and pieces. Some things you could even use for other occasions. This says Hugs and Kisses on it. You've got the words tea time and enjoy. All right, so let me show you what I made. So this is the little tea bag holder. The beautiful paper there is from Your Creative Studio. And on the back, I used some of the washi tape across the bottom that was in there, and this cute sticker that says, be happy all the way around it. So I just love that paper, and this is one of the beautiful stickers. Now, I found that you do have to cut those out, but if you cut close to it, you can't really even tell that, you know, it was fussy cut out. And then there's the words tea time. And I tried to close this with some little magnets and it wasn't working. So I took them off. I've never really played with those tiny magnets before. I think they're kind of thick. I'm going to see if I can find some thinner ones. Oh, and this little strip here is to copycat on a tea bag where the staple is. So that is what that is. And that is part of the dies. So anyway, I just put Velcro on it. Inside are more of the beautiful papers. And then I stuck a couple of real tea bags in there. And then I also have tea bags that are the fun altered tea bags. And when I went through the supplies in that box, that is the first thing that came to my mind, was making some of these tea bags, because the little papers that I slid up inside the tea bags, I didn't have to trim them or anything. They were the perfect size. So that is one there. I used let me look at it here real quick. I used Ranger Distress Collage Medium on my tea bag. I find that after you slip your paper inside, you know, tea bags have two sleeves. So after you slip your paper up inside one of the sides, and you just stick your brush in there with a little bit of medium on it, and then smooth it down, it works like a charm. And then I go over the whole entire tea bag with the collage medium afterwards as well. And I did put some in between the two pockets this time. I think most of the time I don't do that necessarily. A little bit maybe, but these two turned out super flat, and it might have just been the way that I was doing them. And there's another image from that little, it was I think the little book of images that I used. and I did tear the bottom. I like that torn look. Then I just put some little micro beads on this one. And then these little tags, this one I backed with some cardstock on the other side, but they are also from the box of goodies. So I just thought that made a cute, oh, and the backing paper's in here also from the box of goodies. So let me just, and these are, these altered tea bags have been used to make tea with, and then you just let them dry out and dump the tea out. And this one, as you can see, still has some tea in it, which I kind of like. You know, if you don't like that, you can make sure you get every little piece of it out, but it doesn't bother me at all that there's still some tea in there. So that is another image from the box. This one says Butterfly Chase. So I added a couple of little brass butterflies there from my Stampin' Up! Stash. And on the other side, I chose another butterfly image. And then this is another one of the little tags from the box. And I just put cardstock on the back. And I did go over those with Collage Medium also. I see I have a few little loose beads rolling around there. And then I put the word enjoy on the inside, but I love all these bee papers. Bee themed and butterfly themed things seem to be a really big deal right now. And then I just made my little tassel here with some gold thread that I had, and recently I bought a box full of these little things here, these little clamp things that you can use to make tassels with. And the box I bought on Amazon, and they're all different sizes and different metal colors, so that was kind of fun. And then I just put some little bling on there, and that should make a fun little gift, or you know, a little thing to tuck in with maybe some other tea themed or bee themed goodies that I give to somebody. So that is just one project that I made with supplies from that box, and I'm sure I will be making some more to show you. There's so much stuff in there to create with, but I just had this in mind as soon as I opened the box. I thought it would be fun to do this little tea bag holder, but I will definitely come on with some more goodies. And if you didn't see that unboxing video, go back and take a look. That is a subscription. They do subscription boxes, which is a fun thing because it's just like getting a little Christmas present in the mail. All right, thanks for stopping by and watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye-bye.